oh. Yeah, Manjulata, you said right. Manjulata, thank you. Where? Manjulata, thank you so much. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Actually, the MOD is, I don't know why it's, see, just the hyper, I taken ORM, right? ORM, just ORM framework is creating by default. Why MOD, by taking MOD, it's not creating the table, it's giving the problem, right? Anything is, any special things is there? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now see how much we troubled because of that. Here, if we take another name also, that one will take, right? Just here in the table. Thank you so much. How you get this kind of experience? I think you faced this kind of error. Because of that, you able to tell, right? That's a good, very good. I appreciated your thought process. Okay, na? Really, thank you so much. So see in the table, right? In the table now, mode table and a product. There are two table is created now. Okay, na? So now view this one. See one FK foreign key and another one is what? Another one is what? See PID, P cost and P name based on the whatever diagram. See PID, P name, P cost. In the parent table, what is the see in the parent table, right? In the parent table, PID, P name, P cost is there, right? But in the model table, what? See, come right click and view that table. In the MID, M name, M type and a foreign key, one more extra column is generated or not? Okay, na? So like this. Okay, na? So our DDL means table structure is created. Let's put the data and we will see that, right? How we will perform the operation, right? How we will perform the operation. But really, I'm feeling so happy about you, Manjulata. Okay, na? That's good. So we wasted too much time about that one. Okay, na? We wasted too much time about that one, and see the small things. Okay, na? Don't worry about that. This sometimes the small things is giving too much problem in the project. 2 to 2 day 3 day like that we are suffering if problem is there. So everything, see boss, everything, if the person is saying that, okay, I know everything, right? So the things is wrong, they are only wrong, because I know something but it's not meaning that, okay, I know everything. Okay, so okay, now see the how many two table is created. One is the product, one is the model class, model, right? Model, in the model class, what it will happen? Foreign key generated, right? Foreign key generated. So let's based on that let's write the logics. Okay, now let's write the logics where we will write that. So what we will do now, we will save the data, right? So for that, what? First we will go inside what? First we will go inside what? DAO, right? DAO interface. We will open the DAO interface, right? DAO interface. Inside that, what is that? Two method we will write it. Okay, na? So public save, na? P public void. What is that? Save. Save. What is that? Model. Mod object, right? Mod object in one to many operation, right? One to many operation. Inside that, what we will do now? Model class we will pass it. Module class mod, right? Mod, fine. Okay, so another one more. What is that? Public void save product, product, right? Product obj, right? Obj, just what is that? One to many, right? Many operation we are performing, right? So this is two method, right? Inside that, what we will do now, we will pass it
Hello, sir. You are not audible, sir.
Okay, okay. Now audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Actually, the people is doing too much noise also because of that half brain is not working. My half brain is not working because of that construction and all those things. Okay. So now fine. Okay, na? So these two methods inside that, what is that? I have need to save that, right? I have need to model class. So ht dot what save method. We will perform what save method. Inside that we will pass what model, right? So after then what is this? Come here again, right? Here what is that? ht dot what is that? Save, right? Save ht dot save. Just I'm passing the product, means our dao layer operation is completed now. Okay, na? My voice is not audible, let me know that, friend.
Audible,
Sir,
Ravi.
right now audible.
Okay, okay. Check your side, right? Check your side. I think.
Audible, sir.
Okay. So now, okay. So this DAO layer operation is completed now. Okay. Somewhere error is there. Okay. This DAO layer operation is completed now. Okay, fine. So okay, where we will go? We will go in the service class, right? Service class. Come to service class interface. Come to service class interface. Fine. Service class interface. Now write two method. Public void save model one to many, right? Many. Here what we will do now, we will pass that model class, right? Model class just m, right? One more. What we will do now, one more, we will create one more method, right? Public void save one to many. Product one to many, right? One to many. Okay, fine. So in that, what is that product? Just product class. I'm taking what product class. Too much today network issue also there, friend. I don't know. 1 minute. Okay. So now okay, product p. Just these two methods are there, right? These two method is there. So we have need to give its implementation class also. So where we will go, employee service IMPL, right? Employee service IMPL. Inside that, okay, okay, we will go inside that, right? Alt shift s plus v. We will override those method. Okay, now after then what we will do now here again we, but this is what non-select methods, right? At the rate transaction, we will apply top up what at the rate transaction annotation, right? In the both methods at the rate transaction transaction method, right? So again, what is that? Here DAO, we will take the DAO reference. After then what? Save what is the one to model class object one to many, right? Inside that, just we will pass that argument. That's it. Okay, fine. So another one more is there, right? One more is there. Inside that, what we will do now, just we will DAO dot what? Save what is that? Product, right? Product p. Okay, fine. Okay, the service class also completed. Now let's develop component class, right? Component class, where come inside that, where this class is there, right? Okay, in this class what we will do now, come here. Okay, now come here, and inside that we will write one to perform one to many operation, right? So public void public void public public void one one to many OPER. Operation means just I'm taking, this is the method, right? This is the our method, normal method. Okay. Inside that, what we are doing that, so okay, I'm going to take, right, I'm going to write test class, right? Test class to test our, like for example we have data, right? For example we have data. Okay, so inside that I'm going to take what model, model one, right? Model one equal to new model, right? Model one equal to model one. Okay, so m1 dot what, say set m1 dot set, right? Set model id, just I'm taking 101. M dot set, right? M dot set, sorry, m1 dot set, right? Model name, just I'm taking m2, just I'm taking m2. Model one, just model one, this is the model one. Okay, this is the model one. M dot what is this, set type, just type also. I'm just take the alphabet name only, right? U only, u, just I'm taking the u, alphabet is the u only. Okay, so this is the one model, right? One model for the one product, one model. Second model, just m2, this is the, I'm taking what, model 2, right? Model 2, this is the model 2, 0, this is the model 2, right? For that, just e, I'm taking the alphabet word e. Okay, after then copy. Okay, paste it. After pasting this, model 3, this is the model 3 object. This is the model 3, m3, and just I'm giving this 3, this is the 3 model is there, right? This is the 3 model, and this data will store where, in the model table, right? In the model table, let's create one parent table, parent model also, right? Parent object also, right? So for that, what is that, product product p equal to what is this, new product, right? Product. Okay, so okay, now p dot, what is that, p dot set, right? P dot set, what is the product id, just I'm giving what, 1021, means 101. Okay, na 101. After then what, p dot what, p dot set. Okay, product model. Okay, product model, just laptop, just give laptop, right? Product model laptop, product mod, oh sorry, set product name, right? Product name HP, laptop give laptop, no HP, I'm giving, yeah, HP. Okay, na HP. After then what, p dot set cost, just 20,000. Fine, so this is what, so but model means what is that, in the 20,000, based on this product, right? In this product, how many models are there, right? Or how many in the 20,000 rupees, right? In the same HP. How many model are there? Just let's see that, right? Just let's see that. Okay, now for that, how what we will do now? What we will do now? P dot what? P dot get, right? P dot get model, right? P dot get model dot add, right? We will add the model. Means in this series, right? In this series, which one in this series? What is that? Model one also will come in the same range, in the HP same range. This model will come. We will pass here, right? We will pass in this one. After then, what is that? P dot what? P dot get. P dot get model, right? I'm getting the model. Means here what in the come in the model. Why I'm taking here? I taken what? Direct object, right? I took here what? Direct object. Because of that I'm taking here, right? So get dot add, right? Add model to M2. Okay, M2, right? M2. So okay, here just but M3 I'm not taking. M3 I'm not taking. Okay, now let's run this one. Let's run this application. So what we will do now? Just emp dot what? Emp dot what? One to many operation. Just call this method and run the application. Yeah, application is completed now. Come here, come and refresh this one. Okay, so open the first, what is that? Product class. Open the product class. Okay, na? Data is not there. The data is null. Why today this much things is happening? I don't know. Oh, fine. It's my mistake. Come here. Okay, na? Actually, really, I don't know why you people is not getting the disturbance, but I am too much disturbed because of this construction. They are doing too much noise, right? Because of my mind is distributed like anything. Okay, come here. Okay, na? Why? Come here. Here we did not call that method, right? So service. Yeah, service only, right? Service. P dot, what is that? Say get. Yeah, save what? Save many to one, save model one to many. Okay, na? This method. Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass this one. Okay. Again, M2 also. We will pass M2 object also, right? We will pass M2 object also. After then again, what is that? Service. We will call the service. Where? Save product, right? Product class. Okay, and we will pass the product. Okay, fine. Then it will work. Let's take one more, but null will be stored here. One M3 also. Okay, now run this application. Yeah, yeah, data is inserted now. Okay, now refresh the table. See, the product view the data, right? See, 101 20,000. Okay, 101 20,000 HP laptop, right? And come the model class, right? View the table. See, um, means 10 actually for the M3 we did not what inserted the data, right? We did not inserted the data, but in the product class, see, in the based on one product, based on the one product, how many models is there? How many models is there? Two model, M2 and M1 and M2, right? Type is U and E just I given, and see foreign key here, foreign key 101 become or not, right? 101 right? So but M3 there is no there is no, this is the product. Actually I assigned the wrong things. Okay now, here kept wrong, no need, just comment it. I'm commenting this one still because I'm not taken, I did not take in for this one. Okay now, because of that we are getting one extra. Yes, refreshes now. Okay, so see, this is the what parent table, right? Parent table. Which one parent table? Product prod, right? Prod 101 product cost this one, and product name is HP, right? Product name is HP. Okay, with this in the HP, how many model is there? Two model is there, right? Two model is there, right? 101 and 102, right? 101 and 102. In which actually just I will stop the session. Okay now, I will stop the session. Tomorrow only many to many we will learn, because I'm unable to explain it properly, right? Because they are doing too much noise here. Okay now, so I will stop. I'm only disturbing how I can explain to you people. Okay now, just this is the many to one to many we will see the disturbing. Yes, yes. Okay, na. So just we will see this one. Okay, na. Many to many tomorrow, and spring. Sorry, two model tomorrow. I will complete spring two model, spring mail, and after then one more model I will explain tomorrow. Right? Tomorrow one more model. Yes, too much noise they are doing. Okay, na. So okay, this one 101 102. Okay, M1 M2 is there, right? M1 M2 means one for the one product. One product. See, for the one product, two models are there or not. So if we perform like this, but foreign key will become what? Foreign key is becoming where? In the child table, right? In the child table, foreign key is becoming, right? 101 102. So like this we will perform, right? Like this we will perform what? One to many operation, right? One to many operation. I decided okay, today I will complete these things, but they are doing too much, not much, only too much noise here. Because of that, my mind is getting disturbed. Otherwise, okay na. So okay, so do practical. I will upload, I will share this project again, right? I will share this project only. And tomorrow, don't miss the session. Tomorrow I'm going to explain what is that spring mail model and a spring scheduler. These two model tomorrow I will complete it. Okay na. And only one thing is there, right? Only one is there. Tomorrow Sunday is there. These people also will not come tomorrow to constructing the things. Okay. So tomorrow GitHub account Ravi. Okay, Git. I will share the URL. Git URL I will share in the our WhatsApp group. Please collect from there. Okay, na? Please collect from there. Okay. So now see, one collection based association also completed. Only one things is there, right? Only one things is there, but in many to many relation little bit different is there, and a critical also there. Okay, STS3 or STS4, which one is better? Manjulata, anyone, if you are taking STS4, right? It's STS4 is the good for Spring Boot, Spring Boot. But STS3, if you taking the STS3, then you can work on Spring Boot and as well as this one also. Okay, na? Okay, na? So next week is Spring MVC. Next week I will start, because today still, you know, our Spring ORM concept is not completed. Tomorrow I will complete Spring ORM and Spring Mail, because these two module is small module, right? Spring Mail tomorrow I will complete, and Spring Scheduler, and I will give real time scenario where we will use these things. Okay, na? Where we will use these things, I will give those real time scenario also tomorrow. Then Spring MVC freshly we will start in the next week onward, right? Next week onward, next Saturday, Sunday, we will learn Spring MVC, and Spring MVC will take little bit more time compared to other model, right? Like how core is taken, right? That much time will not take Spring MVC, but Spring MVC will take time, right? After then I will start what? I will start Spring REST. After Spring MVC, Spring REST. After then last topic is Spring Security. After completing these things, we will start what? Spring um, Spring Boot and microservices. Okay, now this is our plan. Okay, this is our plan. After then, after completing Spring Boot microservices, I will start data structure. Data structure. Okay, now. So you people learn anything, right? Spring Boot microservices, but definitely you should learn data structure once with me. Okay, now. Spring MVC Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, just I will take 2 hour session, but Sunday I will take long session. Okay, so two Sunday, two Saturday means I need, right? Two Sunday, two Saturdays, 2 Sunday long session, and 2 Saturday 442 means near about 15 to 16 hours. 16 hours, yeah, 20 hours. I need 20 hours to complete Spring MVC. 20 hours. So don't worry. I will manage Sunday. I will manage the time. Saturday, just I will give it to you people 2 hour only time. Okay, na? Because some work is there to do those work also. So Saturday I will give that just 2 hour time. Sunday full. How much time you people need? That much time I will give. Just need cooperation from your side also. If you have the capability to sit with me near about 10 to 12 hour, I have capacity to explain 10 to 12 hour also, right? So I can explain it, but the thing is how much you people able to catch the things, that is also, right? Things is matter. It's not meaning that just I'm explaining and you people not able to catch the things. So that is also problem only. So don't worry about that. Sunday I will give more time, but Saturday just 2 hour. Okay, just 2 hour. After means 1 month. After 1 month, I will become free on Saturday also. Saturday also I will become free on. Then Saturday also I will give much time. It's not meaning that, but need 1 month. Near about 1 month I will be busy. Okay. Okay, let's start the session and do the practical ones. I know that I'm today, you know, by delivering the subject I am only not happy, because you know what I can say. No, okay, no problem. Okay, do the practical. If you people anywhere is stuck, right, just ping in the group. I will help you to you people. Okay, now do the practical. Many to many tomorrow we will learn. Many to many tomorrow we will learn. Spring Mail we will learn. You know why I am going to explain Spring Mail module, because in the Spring module, whenever we are registering, suddenly we are getting the message or not, we are opening any website, and whenever we are putting the our mail id, based on the mail id we are getting the message, yeah, your registration is successfully, your registration got successfully in this website, right? So because of that, I'm going to explain what is Spring model, right? Spring Mail model tomorrow. Tomorrow I will complete Spring Mail model. After then Spring Scheduler. Spring Scheduler also I will complete, because both topic is what too much small topic. So then Spring Embassy next weekend, and let's stop the session here only, na? Let's stop the session. We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we will meet. Okay, na?
Thank you, Ravi.
Okay, 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 guys. Okay, bye, bye. Have a good time.